How's it going, guys? In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on your Reminders app on your iPhone. So, as you can see, my icon is right here, but if you cannot find yours, you can always swipe down from the middle of your screen, like so. Type in the word reminders, okay, and there you go. Now, as a default, the main list is called permanent. That's how it comes with your iOS. Now, as you can see, I have 21 items that I have added. If I click here, you can see them all. I'm going to go back. I usually organize them all in just that one list. However, you can create more lists, but this is a process we will see later on in the video. For now, let's say we want to add a reminder. So I'm going to hit right here where it says add reminder, new reminder. And let's make something up. Go buy books. Okay, so that's the title. I can just immediately add it by clicking here. And as you can see, it went from 21 to 22. I'm gonna click here on permanence. And there it is, go buy books. Now this is a very simple reminder. If I click here, if I swipe left, like so, I can go into the details and I can edit this. I can add more information here. Go buy books about cooking. And I can add several notes here. For example, take a look at Chef Ramsay. Okay, now later on we have this date and time. This is when we want to be reminded. So as it stands right now, we don't have an alarm placed. So let's do that. I can hit here where it says date, and let's say I want to be reminded about this on Tuesday. At what time? Let's hit right here and we can select the time. Let's say I want to be reminded at 10 a.m. Okay, so I can either hit done or I can just continue. For example, here where it says repeat, I can hit right here. This can come in handy if you are going to want to be reminded about things that you need to be reminded every so often. This is not the case, but let's say it was. Let's say I would want to be reminded daily. Okay, and I could end the repeat of the reminders right here. I can either leave it there where it says repeat forever, or add an end repeat date. Let's say I would want to be stopped reminded on, I don't know, the 31st of January of this year. And hit back, and there it is. And repeat Tuesday, 31st January 2023. Okay, we can also add tags, but I'm going to cover that later. And you can also flag it as an important reminder. We're going to do that later on. And right here where it says priority, hit that. We can choose a level of priority. So let's say for this example that it's a medium priority. Let's go back. And as you can see here, it says list. If I hit that, I only have the permanence list available. But later on, we're going to do an example where we can add it to different types of lists. Okay, I'm going to go back. And okay, what about subtasks? You can add a subtask. I'll do that later on another example. Now, and add image, same. I just wanted to do a more simple example for now. We're gonna hit done and take a look. We got the go buy books about cooking, and then the note we wrote says, take a look at Chef Ramsay. Now, on the priority level, you see that there are two exclamation marks right there. That's the medium type of priority. So if I chose the high priority, you would see three little ones. If it was a low priority, you'd see just one. Okay. Also, you can see below the note, below where it says take a look at Chef Ramsay, you can see where the alarm is set for the 24th at 10 a.m. like we chose. And right next to it, it says daily. That means it's recurring daily. Okay, now let's do, I'm gonna teach you how to add another list. This way you can become more organized if you choose to be. Okay, let's hit right here where it says lists. Okay, so I'm going to add one. Let's say, let's call this shopping. Okay, and let's put a yellow color on it. Hit done. Okay, so you see we added a new list, and it's called shopping. All our reminders that are related to shopping, we can actually move them there. This way we can have this a lot more organized. Now, let's say that I wanted to add another list. I don't know, let's call this school. Okay, and let's add a green color to it. No, let's gonna head back. I'm gonna edit this because we already have green. Let's choose this one. All right, so there we have three colors. And I also wanted to show you that you can actually join the lists together in a group. So for example, if I wanted to join shopping and school, I could do so like this. I'm gonna click and hold any of them, and I'm gonna move it around on top of school. I'll drop it there, and it gives us the option to create a new group. Let's call this group personal, okay? And create. So there you go. You have your personal group where you have your school and your shopping. Now, let's add a new reminder right here. Let's say we need to study for Mr. Bergen's math test. Okay, study hard. Oops, exclamations. There you go. Okay, and let's say right here you can see we can choose the list. If I hit add right now, it's just going to add it to my permanents list, but I want to choose another one. I hit right there, and I'm going to select school. All right, now let's add it. All right, so as you can see right here, there's the new note in school, says 1. I'm gonna click here so we can see it, and there it is. And like we did in the example before, we can edit this. I'm gonna swipe left, hit details, and again we can select any of these other options, such as reminders, alarms, flagging, and or we can even change the list, but it's actually correct right there. And you can also add an image. Let's hit there. Okay, you can either scan a document, take a photo. Okay, I'm gonna take a photo. Okay. And let's say that this is part of the math test. Just assume that it is so. Okay, use a photo. Okay, and there it is. Okay, when I hit done, and there's the photo. It's just a small little reminder, a small little cue that can help you. Okay, so let's go back to lists. Let's do one for shopping. And I wanted to show you about subgroups here. So let's add a new reminder. Let's say buy vegetables. Okay, and let's select the list here. It's not in school. We want to go to shopping. Okay, and let's add it. Okay, so there it is, right? Buy vegetables. Okay, let's add another one. Buy milk. Okay, 2%. And it's already pre-selected right there. This is shopping, so I'm gonna hit add. Okay, and this little group, you can click here and it collapses, collapses and uncollapses. Okay, so this way we have it all organized and it's a lot better. So if I want to just focus on my tasks related to shopping, I can just hit right here, and this is what you'll see. Only the things that you inserted into your shopping list. So that's you can organize this however you want and add all the alarms and reminders you want, and it's going to help you a lot. So I hope this helps, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next videos. Cheers.